The HP LaserJet Pro 400M401dne. A workhorse monochrome laser printer aimed at small to medium-sized businesses or busy home offices. This factory-certified model offers a compelling blend of performance and affordability. Let's dive into the specifics. HP claims a print speed of 35 pages per minute, which is pretty impressive for this class. In real-world usage, you'll likely find it handles large documents quickly and efficiently. The 1200 by 1200 dpi resolution ensures crisp, clear text and decent quality graphics, perfect for everyday business documents. One of the standout features of the M401dne is its built-in networking capabilities. Ethernet connectivity makes it easy to share the printer across your network, and the automatic duplex printing feature helps save paper and reduce costs. While this model doesn't offer wireless connectivity, the wired setup is generally more reliable for a consistent office workflow. Now, being a recertified model, it's important to address the elephant in the room. This means the printer has been returned to HP, inspected, and refurbished to meet their standards. While this can be a great way to save money, it's crucial to buy from a reputable seller who offers a solid warranty. Check the seller's return policy and warranty information before purchasing. In terms of setup, the M401dne is relatively straightforward. The drivers are readily available on HP's website, and the installation process is generally smooth. The printer's compact design also means it won't take up too much valuable desk space. Overall, the HP LaserJet Pro 400M401dne is a solid choice for those seeking a fast, reliable monochrome printer without breaking the bank. The recertified aspect allows for significant cost savings, but remember to do your due diligence and purchase from a trusted source. If you prioritize speed, wired networking, and crisp text quality, this printer is definitely worth considering. The model number, CF399A, is helpful for confirming you're looking at the correct device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.